don't you fret, Monsieur Marius, I don't feel anything. A little can hardly hurt me. You're here, that's all I need to know. And you will keep me safe, and you will keep me close. And rain will make the flowers grow.
But you will live with me, dear God above. If I can heal your wounds with words of love.
Just hold me now and let it be. Shelter me, comfort me.
You will live 100 years. If I could show you how, I won't desert you now.
The rain can't hurt me. This rain will wash away what's past, and you will keep me safe, and you will keep me close. I'll sleep with warm embrace at last. The rain that brings you here is heaven blessed. The skies begin to clear, and I will rest. Breath away from where you are. I've come home from so far. So don't you fret, Monsieur Marius, I don't feel any pain. A little fall of rain can hardly